Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Sometimes people they ask themselves, why did they make friends and why did they trust people? And when you want trust person, which kind of people or person you go like to trust? They're not the right trust for head. They're not the right trust. The only thing many people want make them they respect them. But respect, they no dey buy respect. Now, wetin you do and how you take present yourself to people or to crowds. Now, from that speech or wetin you talk or wetin you do, na there the respect dey come. Not say you go just give money to people or buy people say make dem dey respect you. That thing, they fit take that money that particular time. But after when they turn back, that respect don go. The respect no go come again. But you go see some people dey, even if they no get anything, they no get money. But when they come out, you go see how people go dey wan go close to them, how people go dey respect them. But when you dey fear person, different from when you dey respect person, that thing dey different. Many people go say, they dey fear this man o, see as they dey respect am. No, that one no be respect. That one no be respect. That one you wan give am distance. You want make that man or that person dey im own lane and you dey your own. That one no be respect. That one na just say you get something wey dey scare you from that person. And when something dey frighten you, you no wan go close to that person. Even if the person say take this, you no wan accept the thing. Just give the person distance quickly. Just make you no see that person or know about that person. So na so the thing be. Years back, all these things no dey exist. But today, you go see how children dey talk, dey rude, dey bold to dey answer people, dey answer their elders. Just because respect no dey. Okay, look like this now. One lady, her own daughter wey her own daughter, dey tell her mother say, dey warn her mother openly, say make you stop that. Dey push her mother. Years back, all these things no dey exist. No matter wetin mother do to you, you go respect your mother. You go bow your head down to listen to wetin your mother wan talk. But today, no. Today, no. You see children, just because they wan live another life, say, this one na free world o, we get right, freedom of speech, freedom of this. No. Because this very woman, sit outside, dey talk with im colleagues how she wan take prepare as all this festival time, because they invite this woman make she come, because this woman know how to design, know how to paint. So they come invite this woman. They say make she come design. She dey among the group, and not even say na free she wan do am. They go pay this woman for this thing, because this woman she know how to design well. This one na her work. So she come call her daughter. Her daughter come tell her say he dey very busy with friends. So he come leave message with him daughter, say, okay, now as him call you, you say you dey very busy with friends, you no wan come. She no go dey house, because see where she dey go and see wetin she wan do. Now she dey give him daughter, he dey explain to him daughter now wetin she wan do, see where she wan go, see wetin she wan do. But this thing you see how this thing be? Now daughter supposed to explain to mother, say, look where him dey go and see wetin he wan do. Just because of this life these days, the next minute or the next second, fit guarantee yourself wetin wan happen. Nobody fit guarantee say see wetin go happen for the next second or the next minute or the next hour. Nobody. So if you dey go anywhere, you fit explain to who dey around you say look where I dey go, or see wetin I wan go do, or see who I wan go meet. So this woman call im own daughter to explain to im daughter say see where im dey go and see wetin im wan do and see how much dem wan pay am and see how many hours, though she no fit know how long she go keep there, but she just tell im daughter say in case if im no quick come, but see where she dey go and see the hours wey she go like to take. The daughter reply her mother just say you can imagine the daughter no get respect. E dey tell her mother say e dey busy for wetin. Okay, when the mother finish from where she go, she come back, her daughter was not even at home, so she called her daughter on phone. When her daughter present publicly, she dey insult her mother. Why should you call me this way? Why you go call me? How many times you go call me? I don't tell you where I dey go. You know, with that aggressive. So the mother was ashamed when she just see the way her daughter did, you know. So he just tell her daughter, not say she push her daughter, just only tell her, say, come inside. That hand when her mother tell her daughter, say, come inside, her daughter return that way back with hard something, push her mother. That thing not dey good. They not dey buy respect. Respect they come for how and wetin you do and how you take the talk or approach anybody. Now that respect they come, not wetin you they do or you know if you buy respect. You see how this girl they lost with that age. She no get respect. Tell me now, if she don't reach 20-something, what do you think say she go do? How you feel? Or viewers, just tell me now, how she go be when she don't do that or don't get that age, don't go far from age. How you feel say she go be? She don't get respect. She go dey arrogant. Now she go be. They talk to anybody. They insult people. This thing not they exist before. Never. But these days, things don't change. Before you talk to anybody, they go tell you say this one a free word. Freedom of speech. No respect. They insult people. That one a lack of education. That one a lack of education. And one thing, the way that they bring that boy or that girl or that child or that person, the way that they bring them up. You go see some people now, they don't get anything for home. But they go want dey another class. Want me to say, see the car where that one they drive. They want enter the car. At the end, what did they go do? They go fall for streets. Because they don't get respect again. When they don't finish outside, the way they take meet crowd, the way they take mixed up with friends outside, when they come home, they'll come to use that tone, that aggressive tone to their parents for home. If their mother or their father or whoever tell they say, sit down there, they go tell the person, reply and say, you sit down there too. If their mother tell they say, shut up, they go tell their mother, say, no, you shut up. Just because they don't get respect. It could make people even if your child anything, it could make you they watch them, they train them, they educate them well. Because at the long last, now you the parents go regret. You go they regret when people go they point fingers. Say, see that girl or that woman or that person not get respect, not go close to that person. Now you, the parents, go to shame. So viewers, thanks for watching. If you love my video, just give me thumb. Share my video and subscribe me. And have a wonderful day.